replacing this with this. Highly recommend this to everyone. So the part that is going on the car today is this little line on all four corners. Well, the fronts are going to be a bit longer, but we are installing braided brake lines for the 370Z today. The reason is when the brake fluid gets hot, the rubber expands and you get that mushy pedal feeling when you brake, which is not safe, which might kill you and might kill others. Please do this to your car. Even if you like daily drive it, especially if you track your car, do this to your car because it might save your life. And it's actually a pretty easy install and it's not that expensive either. We're going straight into the install to show you guys how easy and simple this install is. It looks nice as well. The only specialist kind of tool you need is a flare nut wrench, which will get the hard line that screws into this bit here. Use an oil pan or some bucket or something. You will be dropping brake fluid. You don't want that all over your floor. As well as get some brake fluid as well. It's not that hard of an install. Wow, I really do say that every single video, don't I? Don't I?
Maybe don't say it, jinx yourself, don't jinx yourself.
Because I'll try and not say that next video. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it off. I'll show you guys the steps. First things first, jack the car up, take the wheel off, put your pan underneath the car. There's two bolts that's holding this side in, straight to the caliper, that's held on by a bracket. Two 12mm bolts, take that off, get this hard line off, which is a 10mm flare nut wrench, and then there's a clip that goes in there. You just take that off, and you're done. That's just dripping brake fluid right now, so we just gotta do this quickly. This is the OEM brake line, so this bracket goes to the back of the caliper. Two 12mm bolts there. This little nipple thing goes into the caliper. 10mm flare nut wrench, and this goes to the hard line. There's just a lot of pieces here that don't need to be here. And replacing this with this. Look how much more simple this is. Before I run out of brake fluid, let's chuck this back on. You should have some hardware, a banjo bolt and a couple copper washers. Place a copper washer on top and put it into this little hole, in like that. Place another copper washer in there. Bolt that up to your caliper. Make sure this is up top like that so it doesn't get in the way of anything and it doesn't damage the line. Also make sure you connect the caliper side first, it will just make your life easier. The rears are done. It is hot. It is so hot. 36, 37 degrees right now, Celsius, which is, what's that in Fahrenheit? 160. Oh, no, that's probably like 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sometimes 2.7.
Yeah, look, we don't know. We don't know, but it's freaking hot. It is so hot. With the fronts, as you can see, it's a bit longer. The OEM ones are probably like 3-4 lines. This just incorporates one line and uses the bolt that bolts into the strut and then wraps around the strut. Yeah, it's a bit tight in the wheel well, so can't get any real nice shots, so lighting's pretty bad in there. So yeah, just trying to help you guys with diagrams and analogies and stuff like that. Hope you guys appreciate it. Alright, let's get on with the job. Everything's pretty much the same size, 12mm, your same 10mm flare nut wrench. The same as the rear one, there's just too many lines going on here. Look at the difference. It's just one straight, solid, braided stainless steel line with Teflon coating. Extra protection, which I mean, everyone loves extra protection, right? Again, this goes to the caliper. Make sure this bracket here is to the stud. This bit goes to the hard line at the back here. Pretty much following the old route of the old brake line. We're taking a small intermission because I just got a package and I'm pretty sure it's my new steering wheel. Yes, I couldn't find a blade or a knife, so I'm using pliers. Woo! D&D, let's go. You guys ready? I'm not. Let's go. And it's pretty dished as well. That's mad. That's mad. I've got a quick release for this as well. Oh, we can't do the horn button. Yes. I've got titanium hardware for this as well. I'm so keen. Yeah, I got my steering wheel. We might install this next video. Since it's here, I've been waiting for this. Yeah, alright. Installing this new steering wheel next video. Stay tuned for that. All the brake lines are in. Should be fine. Should be fine. All in all, wasn't too hard of a job. Each line probably took, I don't know, probably like 15-20 minutes. This car has costed me quite a bit of money in the past few months because I'm going a show build plus getting ready for track. So I'm doing like 2 builds at the same time. I'm excited to see the end result because it's going to look so nice and it's going to be ready for track as well. Although yes, there will always be things that I need to improve on with the car, with like supporting mods and stuff like that. I hope you guys are enjoying the process of me building this car. Pretty much every single week I'm putting on something new. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited. In saying that, thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped some of you guys out, and if you guys have any questions, as always, put it down in the comments below and I'll try to help you guys out. I'm always down to help. Click the like and subscribe button down below. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We've got about 7 days left from when this video will be out, so we're trying to get to 1,000 before the end of the year. I appreciate you guys watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.